So hello guys, today we're gonna do a review on the Ubuntu 20.10. It's the new version of Ubuntu, and we will guide you through all the options and the the way ahead to change the desktop and to change the icons and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please, if you enjoy and if it helps you, please subscribe the channel. It's very important for me, and it's the way you have to support my work. So here on the upper corner you have the quick menu. You have a way to change here the network. You have the way to change the volume. You have the light for night and the dark mode that change everything to black. This is new, and it have a new look, so you can play around with this. And here in the middle we have the calendar and the not disturb button. You can change this later as well if you want. And here in activities you have what you have open or what you are working in, and several different desktops that you can have. So here you have the applications, all the applications installed in the Ubuntu, the calculator. Right here you have the option to open calculator in one screen and the calendar in another screen. So directly from the applications menu. Okay. And it works very good if it's something that you need. So after this we're gonna open the Firefox. It's the new version of the Firefox, and this takes a little bit time to open. In this new version you have a new look as well, and it's more fast and more agile than the older versions, so it's a good thing as well. The rest is the same. Okay, doesn't have nothing new. Then we have Thunderbird for email. Here you can define your email. So after you configure your email, you can see your inbox and you can see the calendar as well. So here we have the address book where you have your contacts. You have different address books. You can configure and manage whatever you wanted. Here you have calendar with all your appointments. This is the look of the calendar, and tasks as well, and pretty much it's the same as we were used to have. I have chat, I don't have this configured. So this is the Thunderbird, and next you have the files and folders. This is the typical files and folders. You can use the windows to put in left or upper to maximize. You can shrink and will change the layout of the folders inside. You see, and you can open again and will come back the same layout that was before. This is very nice. You can change that in the applications. You can remove this option, or if you like you can keep it. Here it's the application normal that we used to have. Here you have the LibreOffice. It's a very good option for all the Office, Word and Excel and everything. So you can play around with this. I will show you the layout. So this is the new layout. It's very nice. I really enjoy it. have all the option of a normal office, so fonts and everything. Okay, we close this. After this we go to applications. In applications you have all the applications that come default on Windows Ubuntu, the translator, the office that we talked earlier. We have utilities, the maintenance utilities normal to check the disks and see how is our system. We have some games that doesn't matter too much. For music and software updates and everything. So this is torrent, so have a lot of things here. And these are the defaults. Of course, you can edit more later. So now I want to show you the system reference. So here you have network. You can manage your network on this place. Here you have device of Bluetooth, and here it starts to be funny, and you have the appearance. So now we can change a lot of things by default. We can change the color of the folders here in this part, and we can change the background. I will change for this one for you to see the difference between what it started and what it ended. So we're gonna change, let me try, this is gray, you see gray there. Okay, let me try maybe a green. So let me see, green it is, see a green. Or we can try maybe a different green. Yeah, let's try this one. This is more like. So I will leave this. I will leave this one. Then we have the sidebar configurations. Oh, sorry, the icons. So this is, we're gonna change the size of the icons. You see. Now it's a smaller one. I like better small. And the position of the icons, if you want on the bottom right, I prefer on the bottom right. This is to take or show the personal folder. And now we're gonna go to deck. This, let me change here. Okay, so here we can change to a smaller. As you notice the difference, now you have a deck smaller one, and you can play around with this to hide and to keep it on the dock. So go back to what it used to be, like this one, and go back to smaller one. I prefer this one, so I'm gonna leave it this way. And now I will gonna change the size of the icons because I like better small, and I will change, instead of being left, to the bottom. So now we have a completely different operating system, or at least the way he looks, not the way he works. So you can change what you want to show on the dock. So you can change if the trash is showing or not, and this is very nice. Here you have notifications. I will just keep showing everything. This is the way that the Windows will work on Ubuntu. You can change some of these features. So there you go. I will leave it this way. Can change the dynamic of the workspace spaces, and add more feature here. You can play around with this and put the way you like it better. This is the applications menus. You can see details. We will open the store that you can install or uninstall or install updates or whatever you want. So there you go, it's open on the store. We close this. Here you can manage your privacy settings, and this is the accounts that if you want, you can configure accounts as Google or Microsoft or wherever. So I hope you guys enjoy, and once again, don't forget to subscribe the channel. It's very important for me. See you guys later.